Student, as I am discussing about the cookies, how to create the cookies, when are the cookies created? So writing the data to the cookies is usually done when the new web page is located. So what is why cookies are used? Cookies is not for the eating purpose, obviously. Cookies are those which are the easiest way to carrying the information from one session to the another session. That means between the different sessions, that one login you have done, after that you are going to the another login, one burden you have done with that from the another burden. So all these things what are being done, what are being operated, those what we find that there can be problematic situation occurs. To avoid those problematic situation, the company create some link program. Those the link program which are used to link from one program to another program, that can be said as an cookies. Now, how does the cookies last? Cookies last for a certain period of time. We can say it that for several area, cookies last for the several time. As you are opening the current browser, the previous browser cookies will be destroyed. That is what. So that means what we can find it that cookies time is very limited. But some of the cookies we can find that time is a very long time. So what is the cookies? Cookies are not a threat. It is not a threat. It is not your thing will be stolen. Cookies is a threat, not a threat to the privacy. Your privacy will not be taken, since it can be used to store the information that the user has volunteered to the web earlier. So how to track the cookies? Tracking of the cookies is little bit hard, because there should be a third party site who will going to look after the different type of information, what is feedback and what had been given. Okay, so tracking the line, that means from where to where the information is going from, who is the third party is using the particular website, and how they are using the particular website. So that tracking is done by the third party activities. Okay, so what are the cookies enable? Are the cookies enable your browser? No. When the web page with the cookies is open, pop-up appears to enable the cookies. You can enable your cookies if browser setting is disabled. For the cookies, you can also check through the browser setting option. Okay, so you can check for it, and this is how you can make your browser, and you can work with your browser. This is how you can do the work for the cookies. So this is about what the cookies, how the cookies is last, what is cookies, and what is cookies. Cookies means a small bit of data storage as a text file on a browser website, and those the small bits of data are to keep track of the user specifications. Okay, so this is the user specification. That means each of the cookies is a very small lookup pair of a key and data. It is a very small lookup pair of key and data. Using those small lookup pair of key and data, what we find is that this particular pair of key and data, what it happens, it keep the record, or keep the track of the particular data, how the data is going. That means suppose you want to counter. Okay, you want to have a counter for the web page to access the three times. So what will happen? You can store in your computer. You can work with your computer for first time, second time, and next the third time. The server will not allow to access those page. Yeah. So this is how the cookies are being formed. This is how you can see it that cookies are being utilized, and cookies help you to make your changes and make the different type of changes in your web page. That means new web page that you are creating. So when you are creating a new web page, that particular web page will be there, and those the web page what has been created, and those the web page what has been done. You can find it that this particular web page will help you to make you or give you the authentication to go to the next page, isn't it? When you are going to the next page, there should not be any type of burden on it, any type of mechanism burden on it, any type of problematic burden on it. So those are problematic or mechanism burden can be easily put out with the help of the cookies that are being utilized. Okay, so this is how you can find it that where you are using the cookies, where you are using this particular pattern of cookies. Cookies is how long does the cookies will going to last. Cookies last for a certain moment of time, and it has a certain specification of the lifetime. Suppose if you are browsing from one browser to another browser, it will be destroyed. Again, if you come on that particular browser, maybe it will enable in that particular time in the previous format mode. Okay, so this is how you can find it that your cookies will going to work, and this is the